naturally somebody who is defying the law and who has demonstrated now and again that he has no respect for the law, he has no respect for law enforcement. So why would you be surprised that there would be a standoff like is happening now? Now somebody wants to create insurrection. So now you are giving him the opportunity for him to continue his campaign of violence, of insurrection. So that could be the reason, but I do not know. But I think where security may have said, now, today it may not be wise to go there because we have intelligence of this and this and this. They want to do this and this and this and this. You get it? And the police anywhere in the world has got that mandate, that discretion. Because people keep on saying, hey, it's my right, it's my freedom. My friend, if you are going to cause, if a situation is going to result into threat to life or chaos, it's the obligation of the police to ensure that does not happen. That's why police forces are there. Law and order, the core of any police force is to ensure law and order. So it's not true that we prevent media access. It's that we regulate